You can focus on consistency. You can focus on quality. You can focus on great customer experience. You can focus on professionalism. These are key pillars within business that's going to separate you from your competition and is going to help you build a relationship with your customers for the long run. And it doesn't always have to be prices. You don't always have to be the cheapest, because sometimes the cheapest is not the best. The price is usually a reflection of the value that the customer is going to get. So if something's cheap, you're probably not going to get a good quality of product or a good experience. If you think of something like Louis Vuitton, people buy Louis Vuitton because it's going to be top quality. They're getting a great experience. It's going to always be consistent. Rather, if you buy a cheap clothing brand, it may come poor quality. It's not durable. It uses cheap materials. So you have to always remember that just having the cheapest price is not always going to bring the customers that you're trying to attract, or it's not always going to win over customers. Customers will purchase from you due to a variety of factors. It's not always due to you having the cheapest price, because there are customers who are willing to pay more money for a better experience or a better quality, whatever the case is. Always remember that you need to be professional. You need to be on time. If this is your goal of actually creating a business within this cannabis industry, you need to stop thinking short term. A hustle is usually something short term, and transition that into a business. A business is a long term investment. You're trying to generate money and acquire customers for the long haul, and have those customers coming back into the door and purchasing from you over and over again. If you take anything away from this whole video, it's shifting your mindset. Stop thinking short term and focus on creating a business that is for the long run, is for the long term. I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. If this video provided you with any type of value, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. And until next time, peace. I'm out.
Why they so mad? Cause they see me on the come up, I'm just getting started, I didn't even get in my bag. Man, I won't think with you niggas, but y'all steady hating, don't talk about popping no tag. I spend the block cause I'm patient, come back in the year, and that check that you wrote to get cash. You wanna smoke with the demon, well now you done seen it, I hope that you why they so mad. Cause they see me on the come up, I'm just getting started, I didn't even get in my bag. Man, I won't think with you niggas, but y'all steady hating, don't talk about popping no tag. I spend the block cause I'm patient, come back in the year, and that check that you wrote to get cash. You wanna smoke with the demon, well now you done seen it, I hope that you ready to clash, yeah. Graduated from the street to the top of my class. You on the road and let's get it. I told you I live it, all you had to do is just ask. I know before I was chilling, just trying to get millions, now all of that shit in the past. I take it up to the ceiling, however you willing, just so that you ready for class. Run down, I do this shit with no mask. If they won't call it a race, we gon' laugh them. Cry like a baby when you get back at them. They here for the now, but they never gon' last. Why? Slow through my life like a turtle, but you get too close and I'm ready to snap. Rules to the game and they all universal. If you break a rule, then you never come back. Living my life, I'm just chilling. Big plate, I'm gonna eat, they gonna eat out the trash. Once they find out you a clown, gotta leave out of town and you never come back. I sit around many counters, I'm loving the sound that it make when they get to a stack. And I show nothing but love, but if you a hater, then fuck ya, I know I so mad. Cause they see me on the come up, I'm just getting started, I didn't even get in my bag. Man, I won't think with you niggas, but y'all steady hating, don't talk about popping no tags. I spend the block cause I'm patient, come back in the year, and that check that you wrote to get cash. You wanna smoke with the demon, well now you done seen it, I hope that you ready so mad. Cause they see me on the come up, I'm just getting started, I didn't even get in my bag. Man, I won't think with you niggas, but y'all steady hating, don't talk about popping no tags. I spend the block cause I'm patient, come back in the year, and that check that you wrote to get cash. You wanna smoke with the demon, well now you done seen it, I hope that you ready to clash.
100K play, honey bun K, you don't want smoke with this right here, know what you say, swing by your way, get caught in my headlights like, yeah, watch what you say, don't become prey, internet niggas is so damn weird, I'm from the Bay, he from upstate, told you before that this so yeah. So sick, no suit, big business, no suit, sedan truck, no coupe, long leg room, big shoes, mirror crop my move, all my ops is food, all my ops was fools, hard cold like ice cubes, always woke, no snooze, all this smoke, no booze, all good days, no blues, except for what I got in pocket, cause you know I'm gon' get it. Leave me alone with your home, fuses get blown, cause I'm gonna grow in it. I stay with them plans, you stay with them Zans, so you might be gone.